Nestled in the bustling basement of the landmark is the vibrant food haven that sits right next to the supermarket. With its spacious layout and a mouth-watering variety of food options, it's a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. There are different restaurants to choose from, with numerous types of options to find something to eat. From big-name fast food to classic Filipino dishes, pizza, steaks, chicken, noodles, bakeries, desserts, and sweets. There are plenty of tables with lots of seating, but it's been pretty busy every time. The prices are pretty reasonable, the food tastes great, and quality has been quite good as well. The cleanliness of the place adds to the overall appeal, making it a delightful spot to grab a bite. The Landmark Food Center is recommended for the efficient staff. The good service is something these restaurateurs care about. This place provides food at attractive prices. Just a heads up if you're visiting on a weekend. Expect a lively crowd of supermarket shoppers, all eager to enjoy the fantastic affordable eats. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.